In this video, I will show you how to transfer money or send money from Aircash. If you want to send money, follow me in this video guide. So guys, after opening your app, you will see this page on this app, just like this one. Guys, just like this one, click on send money, this option. When you click on send money, you will see this page. From here, write your phone number as a recipient. For example, choose any country as a code to write your phone number. For example, Estonia or Andorra, for example, this one. Write your phone number here, and then choose your amount you want to transfer in euro currency, and then write your any amount. For example, click $10 euro, just click on 10 euros and click send. This is how you can do it to send money. It is easy steps, friends. If you have any question down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible. Keep watching. Just follow these simple steps. Click on send, and then write your phone number as a recipient, and then choose amount you want to transfer.